Welcome to Language Coaching Geneva. I am Margot Richmond, the founder of LCG, and I'm also a business language coach. This week, I'm going to teach you the meaning of the term backlog. As a noun, a backlog is a reserve or an accumulation of work. A backlog is the workload that someone has which is beyond their production capacity. For example, there was a backlog, so Judy had to stay late to finish the portfolio since it was the end of the month. In French, backlog means avoir du retard. Another example would be, the backlog was reduced to 7 cases, 2 of which were to be finalized shortly. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video is helpful for you to use this new business English term at your workplace. Check out our website, our YouTube channel, and follow us on social medias.